Hey YouTube, this is my bike check on a Fit 81. It's the year 2012. Start off at the front, work our way to the back. It's mostly stock, but so it's just a stock Fit wheel, and then with the 2.3 Fit by Co tires, so those are really big, and I like them a lot. And there's some, we have a demolition peg on the front, only weighs 4 ounces, and stock Fit hub, and then up to here. I got new bars for it. They're Fit bars, but they're not the ones it comes with. I forgot how many inches they were, but they're big and I like them. Stock Fit headset, stock Fit grips, and bar ends. Now the seat, I have a clear pivotal, but I took it off because I don't like the way it looks. And stock Fit cranks, stock pedals with the 25 tooth sprocket, and one second. All the way down here, 25 tooth sprocket. It's the stock Fit sprocket, and some red in here, red bolts and red bearings. There's some other ones that I haven't put on. But it's my bike, and yeah.